Thank you, Rhythms Club. It was indeed a wonderful performance. Can we give them a huge round of applause? We welcome Chairman Sir, Mr. N.K. Chaudhary.
Factually speaking, annual report is a mirror of school activities during the year. It gives significant details about the performance of the teachers and the students. It also contains extracurricular activities with which the school and the students remain associated.
Now the students will present the salient features of school annual report of the last academic session, namely 2014-15. This PowerPoint presentation is prepared by Harsha Sengar of class 11th and the conductor is Varun Niranjan of class 7th.
Striving for excellence today to prepare us to succeed in a challenging world tomorrow. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of a good institution. So let's begin with the remarkable result achieved by Nehru World School.
NWS has upheld its impressive track record with an outstanding 100% pass result in 2015 CBSE board exam of class 12th. NWS has broken all its previous year record as 33.33% students scored more than 90% marks this year.
Vinay Kumar Agrawal of 12th PCM stream scored 97.2%. Vishal Rohila of PCMB scored 93.6% and Commerce has been topped by Tamanna with 96.4%. Humanities has been backed by Rupa Raut with 90.8%. 10 students have scored 100% marks in math, informatics practices and commercial arts.
Adding to the glory of Nehru World School, 3 students, Prakhar Gupta, Vinay Kumar Agarwal and Saurabh Chauhan qualified IIT Advanced this year. Class 10 students of Nehru World School have also once again showcased remarkable academic excellence by coming out with flying colors in CBSE board exam. NWS has upheld 100% pass grade this year.
Out of 127 students, 14 scored 10 CGPA and 37 students bagged CGPA 9 and above. Apart from showing competence in board exams, Nehru World School had outshone its splendid performance in various other fields. Prakhar Gupta of 12th PCMB attained 73 rank all over India and proved his mark in Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana.
NWS students have also shown their brilliant efforts in various Olympiads like English, Maths, Science and Commerce.
The motto of Nehru World School is knowledge, wisdom and courage. We upheld its motto by exhibiting it truly through achievements in various arenas.
Nehru World School had got the splendid opportunity to be the host for the prestigious regular academic activity of the board, that is regional level science exhibition on 15th, 16th and 17th January 2015. A total number of 43 schools from the Allahabad region participated in our school and 73 exhibits were displayed showcasing the scientific vigor and flavor.
It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that Nehru World School qualified for National Level Science Exhibition 2015. 2 students, Yatharth Ruadgi, 12th PCM, and Divyansh Mahale, 12th Commerce, competed at the national level in Bluebell School, Gurgaon.
We received Best Film Award in 4th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival for the movie Joy of Sharing.
Our students performed in the grand finale of Bachpan Theatre Festival at Kamani Auditorium, New Delhi. We were amongst the best 8 schools shortlisted from 500 participating schools. The title of the play was A Short Midsummer Night Dream.
Nehru World School had been a part of Global Initiative Commonwealth Class Program, where we were the first runner-up amongst the 11 international pool.
We proudly announce our consecutive 3rd win in the Samiksha quiz, being the top scorer. Arpan Gupta and Jagdish Singh Negi were the proud winners.
Prakhar Gupta and Rajat Bhargav of 12th PCM added another feather in Nehru World School's cap by bagging first position in Idea Junction, which is a part of annual mega event Tech Spree.
Abhinav Gautam of class 12th Commerce walked away with the Best Interjector Award in 24th Inter-Public School Debate.
We also participated in the drama competition under Commonwealth class conducted by British Council.
NWS participated in the Commonwealth class quiz conducted by British Council. We topped the preliminary round and were amongst the 6 finalists.
It was a matter of pride for us that Shreya Agarwal of 12th PCM was among the 10 selected assistants radio jockey candidates in Delhi NCR region for Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM.
NWS is a global partner to school in Scotland to integrate international best practices in the classroom, school and community. The staff team from our school visited Mearns Castle High School, Scotland in the month of June. The team included Mrs. Kala Nagarkoti, our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Sarika Chanana, Coordinator Healthy Planet, and Mrs. Sarika Kapoor, ex-Science Faculty.
Miss Fiona and Miss Lisa from the Glasgow Academy and Mr. Stephen Hale from Mearns Castle, Glasgow visited Nehru World School for 1 week learning program.
Our school believes in providing effective learning to our students. A step forward in this direction was that we hosted 14 teachers, 1 journalist, and 100 students from Halvorsmind after school, Denmark for the Students Interaction Program on 29th March 2014.
Nehru World School participated in a number of VCs and Skype with various schools like Meerut Public Girls School, St. Mary School, Bal Bhartiya School, DPS Rohini, Aarons High School, Scotland, and a school in Australia.
The students of Nehru World School participated in various events, even Fit in Deutschland, Namaste Deutschland, Die Deutsch Delfest, and Model United Nations.
Virtual World Tour is an annual 3-day event of NWS. 5th Virtual World Tour was inaugurated by His Excellency Mr. Jorge Rosa de Oliveira, the Ambassador of Portugal Embassy on 26 November 2014. Ms. Lara Brodenfeld, Deputy Head of Cultural Department of German Embassy, also graced the event. Mr. Joseph Emanuel, Secretary CBSE, had been the chief guest on the final day.
Traveling and exposure to outside world is a powerful tool in development of the aggregate personality of the students. Keeping this in perspective, a number of trips like a 5-day trip to Dubai, a day's adventure at Camp Tickling, excursion to Akshardham Temple, an educational trip to IIT Delhi, and 3 days trip to Missouri were organized for us.
To honor the student with leadership laurels, investiture ceremony was conducted in the school in the very beginning of the session.
To instill confidence and lend a great exposure to kids, Healthy Planet organized a number of visits and events this year.
We brought laurels by winning the Under-13 Inter-School Basketball Tournament. In Sahodaya Under-13 Inter-School Basketball Tournament, our boys team and girls team secured first position and brought glories for us.
Utkarsh Raj of class 11th got selected in National Chess Tournament and was finalist among 25 students who represented India.
We reached the quarter-final in CBSE Cluster Basketball Under-19 Tournament.
Nehru World School participated in National Basketball Association Camp, which was graced by coaches from USA, Mr. Adam and Mr. Carlos. Neeti Saharan got selected in NBA camp and will be going to USA for 15 days.
Our school organized a program on studying in the UK for students of grade 11th and 12th. They were privileged enough to get first-hand information about the renowned universities of UK. Students of class 11th had been a part of Inspire Science Camp, a venture of Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India.
We also got an opportunity to attend a performance organized by BBC, Scottish Symphony Orchestra and British Council in City Fort Auditorium.
Apart from these, a B-Box workshop time management and Bloom's taxonomy workshop were organized for grade 12 students to emphasize on target setting and educate students of grade 11th and 12th.
2 faculty members attended the faculty development program at ITS Mohannagar about the barriers in communication and impact of social media on classroom behavior.
Not only the faculty members and the students, but also the helping staff of Nehru World School is empowered with the latest in their field. The drivers of Nehru World School recently attended a workshop on road ethics and safety rules to be followed while driving.
Time capsule burial ceremony is the maiden initiative of NWS beginning last year. This event will take place every year on the same date for the coming years, and the box that was buried on 13th August 2014 will be unearthed after 14 years.
Along with these, numerous house competitions were organized to instill determination, cooperation, creativity, collaboration, and an awareness of the importance of community.
We organized our second inter-school festival, CREO 2014. The festival had 15 competitive, non-competitive and mixed competitive events in the fields of fine arts, photography, public speaking, environment, technology, performing arts, literature and forum theatre. 850 students across 19 schools from Ghaziabad and NCR were a part of this mega event.
Well, these had been some of the major highlights of NWS for the session 2014 to 15. We are sure that in the coming sessions, NWS would prove its mettle in various fairs and hold high the torch.
Thank you.
These clubs are Rhythms, Orators, I Click, I Act, Movement Groovin, and Fine Strokes. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. So now let's have a glimpse of the hard work, strenuous efforts put by class 6th and 7th to make annual production a success.
चखले चटकारे लेके मासूमियत का मौसम दोस्तियों की धूप रिश्तों के निकले पर है कलियों का है लाइफ बहुत सिंपल है गोल गोल मत बोल जल्दी से इसको चखले चटकारे लेके डोल नूडलों के ये धागे बांध दे तुम हमको